Okay, this is part 2 of Animal Company. Tatum, can you go to app chat? Oh, okay, no, you're good. Alright, we gotta go get the rest of the money.
Turn on your light, Tatum.
We gotta go get the rest of the money.
I can't turn on the light. I have it on a crossbow. Yo,
it's your light. Oh wait, no, Tatum's. I'm
not the big boy.
Okay, we gotta go. We're gonna go get some more suitcases. Yo, Shiny, you're basically on your own. Good luck.
Bro, who's the other kid in blue? He literally walked up to me.
Oh, that's our friend Shiny.
Yeah, Shiny. Different Shiny.
His name
different
is
Shiny.
Oh, it's a different Shiny.
Yo, you know
yeah, it's one of our friends' 90th. That's the only reason.
Color the cool. He made me go into his map and start working, and he said that if I left, that he would block me. And I left. And I don't know if he blocked me or not. I left because I didn't want to be a slave.
Oh.
He said that I have to work for him, and I'm not working for him.
Honestly, I haven't explored this entire area.
Like, I left him. I don't care if he blocked me, bro. Block me. You'll just be without a friend. Like.
No!
No!
Dude, and you got spiked. He also got spiked, bro.
Let's wait for him. He's a good player. Trust.
Shiny, how's your anglerfish thing going?
Yes, I love soup.
Dude, I think Animal Company should update their game, bro. This game's actually pretty good.
This is still update.
Oh.
They just updated it.
Oh, never mind. Then they don't need to update it right now.
Yeah, a couple days ago they added the golden.
I didn't know that they just added this. I didn't.
No, they made the more purple.
Tatum, what happens when we go the other route, like the place with the plank?
I don't know about the second parkour area, but the first one is just a teleporter back. Bro, stand still.
Yo, your backpack's right there.
English or Spanish?
Your backpack's right there. Okay, you just bought another one.
Yeah.
You go about that, guys. I'm gonna make red light, green light. Hey, let's go.
Run!
Oh no, I'm getting punched.
I think I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. We went the wrong way. Come on. No!
Damn!
Wait, did they both? Tatum's alive! Tatum's alive!
Shiny, if you want to join us right now, you can. I just died.
Carolina, show up!
Dude, this game's like really fun. I suggest that you guys go download Animal Company right now. I had to make this is part 2, by the way. I had to make multiple parts mainly because I don't want the videos to be like an hour long. So this is part 2 of playing Animal Company. This series is probably not going to go anywhere with views.
Yo, I'm trying to escape the angler.
Tatum, where are you? No! Not again! Guys, whichever one of you I'm back. Where are you guys?
Hello. Who's this? Second parkour.
Hold on, I'm on the first one. I'm coming. Never mind. I just fell. Goodbye. That's what I get for not paying attention. Am I still falling? Oh, okay. Huh? Oh. Shiny. Come on. Wait, are you shiny? Oh yeah, you are. Okay, come on. You just got us some money. You can keep your backpack, but come on. We're gonna go get some suitcases that are worth $1,000. Also, this is part 2 because I had to restart the I had to start over the recording.
Yo, where you at?
I died. I'm with Shiny. We're coming down. We might be a little late.
I know Shiny, but who's the other kid?
What? It's bread.
What's up, Meta? What's up, Shiny?
Shiny, don't move. Alright, Shiny, are you staying back there, or are you coming on?
Yo, guys, do we go without you?
Yeah, go ahead. I know my way on how to beat it.
Do not. I'm
Shiny, hurry up.
I just got a ruby.
Yo. Don't move. Okay, go.
Oh, giant banana?
Dude. You. Shiny, I swear.
Sorry, hold on.
If I die, I'm gonna kill you. Watch out! Did you just die?
No, I did.
Okay, come on, dude. The rock monster's got a hold of me. No!
Hold up.
Shiny, I hope you die for not coming with me.
Jump in. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Did you guys make it?
Dude, I was about to get a rubber duck.
Shiny, that's payback.
Womp womp. That's literally a womp womp.
Alright, well, Shiny, you can do whatever you want, because I'm going on without you.
Oh, I'm the hole, bro.
What?
I'm already down the hole.
Hey, Tatum, how close are you guys to the suitcases?
You guys said you were falling down. You were. Yeah, where are you?
I'm on the first parkour.
Oh. The bombs ain't stopping for you.
I'm at the second fall. I can hear you guys. Tatum? Oh, hi guys.
Yep, I see him.
We're right here. I just saw her.
Shiny's
there you
alone.
are.
I left Shiny.
Yeah, we're leaving, Shiny.
Yeah, let's go.
He went to go pick up items and I died because of that.
Don't die again. There's a bomb there. Let me go.
I made it.
No. Run.
Jump.
Oh, finally the drop down.
Yo, dude.
I got a piece of gold while I was going down. Do I get gold or a suitcase?
Suitcase. Get a suitcase. You can put the suitcase on your back
Wait,
and
guys.
you can put the suitcase on your back and then carry the gold.
Okay.
Okay, hold up.
Tatum, that is the world's brightest flashlight.
Okay, okay, turn off my flashlight. You guys have to brighten the way.
Already.
Yo.
Yeah, if I can.
Guys, we're back. We all got suitcases.
We're stacked with $3,000, dude.
No, we're stuck with about like, each one is 3,000. Or maybe they made it.
They made it less.
No,
They made it
1,000.
less.
Sorry, 1,005.
Yeah.
I did the math.
So we're stuck with
Both of
3,000.
you are trying to avoid
And I
it.
have 2,000 right now besides the stuff that I spent on it, and the goal is to get the $10,000 shotgun.
Where are we going?
Oh, we're going.
Oh yeah,
over
no, we're
here.
supposed to go this way. Help. No.
That doesn't kill you though.
Yeah, but I'd rather not touch it.
Oh, I want gold so bad. I want to grab a chunk of gold.
Okay, there's a corner area.
Oh, this is the area. This is the right.
Yep.
Oh, I see
You
some
guys.
chunks.
We both. We all recognize this area because he was just in it. I already been in it multiple times. It's very easy, but now they buffed it.
You know, this is like my
been in
first.
multiple times.
This is like my first.
They did change the layout a bit. They did change the layout a bit, though.
Help. Okay.
Glitched.
Don't run into the meatball.
Yeah, don't run into what the meatball.
I'm gonna go down.
Where do we-
Go down.
Yeah, it is easier down than up.
Do we gotta go
Okay.
over?
Yep, we gotta go over.
Avoid the meatballs.
Avoid the giant organic meatballs.
Don't let the eye see you.
Yeah.
Since when was that a thing?
Bro, I made it. I made it like away from the place, and then I got stabbed in the eye because I hit a tentacle. So it's only
Oh,
Tatum down there.
It's
Tatum, are
shiny.
you good?
Tatum, you good, bro? Yeah, I'm here. I'm not.
Did you survive?
I didn't notice that coming. Guys,
Let's go get.
easier money. Let's go to let's go get the egg and stuff. I want to go get the egg.
All right. You coming? No.
Wait.
Why not? Why don't you want to come?
Yo, I got 2 of these.
Shiny?
Shiny, why do you not want to come?
I think
Hey,
he just
guys.
left. Yep, he just
I'm
left.
waiting for you guys.
Don't wait for us, bro. We just died.
I'm
I'm gonna go get the egg. I'm gonna go get the egg.
We're gonna go get the egg, bro. Tatum, just go on without us.
I'll invite
Yeah.
you, Devs.
I'm gonna go get the egg.
I went the wrong way.
This is not the egg.
This is really not. What
switched
is
it
that,
up.
bro?
What?
Never mind. I'm inviting you.
Wait a
I
minute.
have 2
You
rockets.
will drink.
This layout looks
Because
different.
I'm bored.
The layout is
Yo,
definitely
you have
different.
Echo. Tatum has Echo.
Dude, this layout is definitely different, bro. I don't remember any of this.
It is.
Oh, yeah, right.
I swear.
So did they? They definitely updated the layout. The egg. I got the egg! I got the egg! I got the egg! No! Tatum, we got the egg.
I just sent him my video. I just sent him my.
What? Yeah, but
Heading here.
yeah.
Yep, we're in call.
Literally the main reason why I didn't want to be in calls because I couldn't hear you. Shiny, hold on. Shiny, do you have your mic?
Have echo.
We got the egg. We have the egg. Do you have your mic? Oh. Yo, can you add I'm gonna add Shiny. I can't add Shiny. Can you add Shiny? Crap, hold on. Maybe. Can you add Shiny? Tatum, can you add Shiny to the call? I can't. I don't have him added.
You
I
probably
think
just
Shiny just
joking.
left.
Man, I can already bet he was joking. He's done that before. I've left him already, and he didn't block me at all. You're fine, trust.
Oh, how did Meta join? What? Oh, hi, Shiny.
Yeah, I invited him.
Shiny.
Man,
Oh, dude, I can hear you, Shiny. Did you just get... Shiny, did you just get, like, tired of Animal Company? Shiny, did you just get tired of Animal Company? Okay, so Meta's bugging out. Okay. I'm gonna go back to app chat because I'd rather have them hear you. Tano, have you made it yet? You're just waiting for us? You're just waiting for us? Okay, well... I'm coming. I don't know about the other guy, though. Here, I'll just wait for you with Tatum, because I'm not close enough yet, though. I'm going back to app... yeah, I know that. I'm going back to app chat. Yep, it'd be easier if you could hear me, like, so then you know how close I am. I'm on first parkour. Okay. I'm going back to app chat. Only so when the people in the video can hear you. Dude. Guys, I'm probably only going to stay in call so that they can... I'm gonna stay in call. I'm probably gonna time lapse this but only because they're not gonna come out of call. They're gonna stay in app chat. So I'm gonna go into call, and then I'm gonna time-lapse this, and then you probably won't be able to hear us. But yeah. So see you after the time lapse. Okay, dude, where are you guys? I'm time-lapsing this part. Bro, it took you that long? I'm time-lapsing this part. I'm gonna have like 30 minutes of parts, and it's gonna be like a long part for this. Okay. At least, Tatum, when we get to you, can we go back to app chat? Wait, did you not bring a flashlight? Go fast! Just go! Hey Tatum, we're heading down to the part. Wait, Tatum, are you even in the call? Okay, we made it. No, oh gosh. No, help! No! It's fine. Go on without me, dude. Go on without me. I went flying. Yeah, no, grab a second suitcase. I accidentally went flying. It just means I'm gonna have to time-lapse this part too. I got this, I'm coming. I'm like, I can speedrun this. This is pretty easy. Tatum. This man paused to watch a YouTube video. Whose YouTube video are you watching? I sometimes watch my own YouTube videos, and I don't really care for it. I like doing it sometimes because it's easy, and my videos are like really long, so it passes the time. Other times I watch Tatum's or Files' videos, or at least live streams for Files. Oh right, he doesn't know who Files is. It's a part 2 video. Oh dude. Bro, just this time lapse is gonna take up the entire video. Because I'm at the second parkour. And I don't even know where he is. Yeah. Okay. I'm about to drop down. I'm at the dropper. Nah, you might not wanna, cause I'm coming. I'm at the dropper and I just made it out of the dropper. Me? I'm coming, I'm close. I'm coming, I'm like really close, I think. Tell me when you guys can actually like start to see me. I'm trying to move fast, but like slow enough so I don't run into the spikes. I went flying across the map, dude. I'm climbing up pillars. I don't know where I am, but I'm at the roof. I don't know, but I'm on like the roof of something. I'm at like the very roof, bro. I'm like climbing above everything. No, don't you dare! I hate you! Okay, I'm back on the floor. I'm back at the floor. I'm back on the floor. I had to get past the part. Look, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. I think I'm lost. Don't touch the spike! Dude, I almost just touched 2 spikes! I did! I'm dead! I'm screwed. Just go without me. I got lost. I don't even know where I am. I'm ending the time lapse, honestly. Right here. Just go without me, dude. Dude, actually, Talon, I bet you could watch my hour-long Monkeyverse video, and I might only take 20 minutes. Yep. Ah, Jukes! Let's go! Okay, I'm coming down. I'm like really far though. I was genuinely just climbing on top of the roof trying to find you guys. Did he go without you? Oh. So you guys are gone? So you guys are gone? Dude, I'm just at the dropper. I'm literally just at the dropper, dude. I'm just gonna try this on my own, and if I, guys, just like try to do like level 1 or 2, because I'm just gonna try this on my own since you guys aren't here. Bruh. I'm gonna go. I should, but I'm gonna at least like try to see how far I can get before I get lost. I'm also now rich. Yep. Thank you. What does the tablet even do? What does the tablet even do? Oh. Tatum, are you recording? Oh, I thought you were. Oh! Oh, I'm very stupid. Yo, guys, I'm stupid. I'm really stupid, guys. I went left instead of right, and I started climbing the pillars and just, like, went and left entirely. I'm about to make it. No, I'm dead. Oh, I'm not dead. He missed. He missed. Let's go. I think I'm at the anglerfish. Oh, I'm not at the anglerfish yet. Oh, I'm at the anglerfish. He sees it. I'm at the anglerfish. I'm about to leave. I made it! I made it! I made it! Okay, dude. This is probably gonna be the end of part 2. I made it. I finally made it. And then I'm gonna go try to shoot this. And then I'm gonna go try and shoot the anglerfish at the end of this. Yeah, I know. That's why I need the shotgun. That's why I'm trying to get the shotgun. That's my entire goal for this. Okay, guys. I just got us 1,000. I'm gonna end this part here. Go subscribe to Tatum, and then the other guy's name, which I forgot. DesVR17 and Shiny. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you guys next part. Goodbye.